Well, it's June 17th, 2018, Father's Day. And I got the truck out. 90 Chevy, 146,000 miles. Man, look at them bees, wasps. They just went in or something, I don't know. Just brought it out of the garage, did a quick wash and wipe down. Still about the same from the last video that I did, I think Mother's Day a few years ago. Only thing is, right now the headliner's out because it was sagging, and I'm gonna throw plates insurance on it here this week or so, and damn bee, get the headliner done. Just put a brand new battery in it today, so ready to take out and go out, have fun. Damn, look at that. Oh man, you went in them holes. Get out of my holes, my handles, door handle. Crazy bee. Hey, get away from me. Go back to the door handle. Man, I don't know what it is. They just like this truck. Fresh meat. Ain't been out of the garage for a while. Well, anyway, there it is. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.